do it. So as you can see here, here is my TFSA account. I have $320. So you can see in my portfolio, I have four holdings. I have this. So let's say I'm going to sell KL, Kirkland Lake Gold. So KL is a Canadian gold mining company. So yeah, it doesn't really matter. So you can see here, we bought it at $53.30. And let's say I'm I like to sell this one. So to sell this stack, just click sell on the bottom right of the screen, sell, and then yeah, which account, the FSA. So as you can see here on the upper corner of the screen, we can choose between market sell, limit sell, and stop limit sell. So the first one is market sell. As you can see in the description, enter the number of shares you want to sell, submit your order, and it's important, and it will be filled at the best available price on the market. So the market sell to is going to be filled I- I- immediately. So if the market is open right now and we put market sell, it's going to be filled in like 30 seconds. But if it's right now, the market is closed, it's going to be filled when the market reopens tomorrow at 9:30 Eastern time. So how many shares of KL do you want to sell? So let's say I just want to sell one share. So we put one, continue, market's close, and then confirm order, selling order. So that's how we sell. And then when the market opens tomorrow at 9:30 Eastern, I'm going to sell KL estimated at $56.75, but the real value is whatever the open price tomorrow. It should be around 56.75. So the second way, you can see here, we click KL and then sell. So the second way is limit sell. As you can see in the description, choose the lowest price per share you're willing to sell. Then enter the number of shares you want to sell. So limit sell is very straightforward. Just enter what's the lowest price you would sell KL. So yeah, it, that's basically it. Let's say the lowest price I'm willing to sell is $58. If I put $58, so that's the lowest price I'm willing to sell. If KL is below $58, KL is not going to sell. But if KL is going to be above $58 in the next day or two, we're going to sell it if we proceed with $58. But let's say we put $56. What that means is that if KL is above is 15 if is $56, sorry about that, if $56 or above it, we're going to sell KL. But if KL is below $56, we're not going to sell KL. So let's proceed that. So it's up to your choice if it is below or higher than the current market price on limit sell. Just just remember that if it is lower, it's most likely going to be filled immediately. If you put it higher than the current price, let's say $58, there's no guarantee that it's going to be sold. So let's just say $56 because I want it to be sold. So yeah, just put one share, continue, and then yeah, just continue that and then confirm order. So yeah, that's how you do limit sell, but we're not going to do that. We already do the market buy. So it's another option. So the another one is the stop limit sell. Stop limit sell. So the stop limit sell is is the way to cut your losses. As you can see here, K KL, the stock that we're currently holding is at $56.75. So let's say, what do you want your stop price to be real? In this example, let's say I'm going to put $50. So if we put $50 here, and then make sure you cap it $50. How many shares? One. If we proceed with this order, what it basically means is that if KL goes down to $50, we're going to sell it. And the thinking on this is to cut your losses short. So yeah, if KL goes down to $50, we're going to sell it at $50. If KL stays above $50, sorry about that, we're not going to sell KL. We're still going to hold KL shares if we proceed with this order. So yeah. Also, another thing to note is that stop limit sell, it should be lower than the current market price. If you put like higher than $56.75, it won't allow you. As you can see here, let's put a 58. Your stop price is high, so it should be lower, because the main objective of stop limit sell sorry is to cut your losses short. So most people, if they do this, they put like a percentage. Let's use a calculator. Let's say $56.75. Let's say if KL goes down like 10%, I wanted to sell it. So just multiply 10% minus 56.75. So 51.07. 51.08 or 07. So yeah, they do like that, like 10% or 20% or 5%. That's how some people do it, but it's up to you really on how much this stop limit sell is really to, again, to cut your losses short. But personally, I didn't really do it that much, but yeah, it's kind of nice to know. So yeah, that's how you do the market sell, limit sell, and stop limit sell. If you like this video, click